to Simply Food. Today we are showing you how to make schnitzels in creamy yogurt marinade. The full list of ingredients is right below this video. In a mixing bowl, add your white yogurt, the creamy star of today's show. Crack in the eggs, because no schnitzel party is complete without them. Now grate or finely mince the garlic cloves. Season with salt, a little black pepper and of course Old Bay seasoning. A small sprinkle of magic that makes everything taste better. Mix it all together until smooth and creamy. No lumps, no clumps, just silky goodness. This marinade will flavor the schnitzels and keep them tender, juicy and irresistible. Place each slice of meat on your cutting board and gently pound it with meat hammer. This breaks down tough fibers, making the schnitzel soft and juicy instead of chewy. It also helps the meat cook faster and more evenly, while letting the marinade soak in deeper for full flavor. Grab a food storage container. Take a slice of meat and dip it into the yogurt marinade. Make sure it's completely covered. No dry spots allowed. Think of it like sunscreen for schnitzels. Coat every corner. Once it's fully covered, place it gently into the container. Then repeat the process. Dip, coat, layer. Don't stack them like messy pile. Keep them flat so every piece gets its fair share of flavor. By the time you are done, each schnitzel should be soaking happily in that creamy marinade, ready to transform into something delicious. Cover with lid or plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge overnight. This is where the magic happens. Patience pays off with flavor. Now it's time to fry our schnitzels. First, make sure each marinated slice is evenly coated in breadcrumbs, pressing gently so the crumbs stick nicely. This step gives us that perfect golden crunch we all love. Start with 3 schnitzels in the pan. That's about how many fit comfortably without overcrowding. Overcrowding will make them steam instead of fry, and we don't want soggy schnitzels. Heat the oil until it's nice and hot, shimmering but not smoking. Carefully place the schnitzels in the pan and fry each side until it's beautifully golden brown. Take your time here. A good fry is worth the wait. Once they are done, lift them out and place them on paper towels or wire rack to drain excess oil. Repeat the process until all schnitzels are fried and your kitchen smells irresistible. And there you have it, golden crispy schnitzels with creamy tangy yogurt twist. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Simply Food for more easy and tasty recipes. If you've tried this at home, leave a comment below and let us know how it turned out. And remember, cook, enjoy and don't forget to sneak a taste along the way. See you next time! Bon appétit!